Detailers, I started with no money, no car, just a bucket full of chemicals, and within a year, I was making 6 figures. Let me show you how you can do it faster. By year 2, we were at $250,000, and by year 4, we were just shy of 500K, all out of this 700 square foot shop. Yeah, the money was good, but I also spent over $1 million in mistakes, bad hires, wrong pricing. I've been through all of it. 7 years later, I've tightened every system and process, putting it all into one place for you so you don't have to waste time figuring it out. DirtLab is the first all-in-one growth platform built for detailers by detailers. It's not just training, it's a complete business in a box. You get pricing formulas, upsell strategies, and everything you need to know that's helped my students hit 6 or even 7 figures. I'll teach you CRM automation strategies and software systems that changed my life, helping you keep your schedule full without all of the stress. You also get leadership training to build a team that lasts, and a 24/7 network of detailing pros who have your back. Whether you're mobile, in a shop, or just starting out, DirtLab gives you the tools, the systems, and the support to grow faster without burning out. We've even been chosen to speak at the Mobile Tech Expo in January of 2026, the largest detailing convention in the US, where we'll be sharing our growth story and showing detailers exactly how DirtLab will get them there faster. Right now, we're opening just 100 founding member spots for just $59.99 a month. You get full access to everything: training, tools, workflows, and the DirtLab network. If you're ready to book more cars, charge what you're worth, and grow without burning out, join us today. Your network is waiting inside DirtLab.